Hey guys, you are crooked. Okay, hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of Chilled, Relaxed Plant Content, where we talk about the good, the bad, the thriving, and the dying plants in our collection. And we try to learn the best way to grow our plants so they grow the way we want them to grow. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, you'd like to participate, contribute to, or you just want to hang out, hit the subscribe button. Let's be plant friends. So today, I got a big old box next to me, and I was contacted by Growstar LED grow light company, who sent me a grow light and wanted me to test it out. I told them I'm looking into setting up a little grow tent and asked if they had something that would fit in there and that would work for that. They said they did. They sent me one. We're gonna open it together. We're gonna assemble it, and I'm gonna, I guess, plug it in for you. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Alright guys, so this is the box. It is gonna cut her open. I'm gonna try to remember to put the link in the description below if you are interested in purchasing this after we go through it. It's another box. It's a box within a box. It's not too heavy, so that's good. I did also just order a little metal shelf, and I have a little like hand-me-down grow tent that I'm excited to set up. Alright, so this is what we look like when we first open her. We got a user manual packet. Alright, let's see. Tells you all about it. Specifications. Have it. It looks like they give you a little plug-in timer, which is cool. I have some already, but I guess I could use some more. We have the handy dandy little, what are these called? The little hooks that hang, that hold the light up. We have what looks to be a telephone wire cable. So that's interesting. We're gonna have to read up on that and see what's going on with that. We have a service card. Alright, so this is what it should look like, hopefully, when we're done assembling it. Alright, product description. The LED grow light with full spectrum, 5,660 nanometer red, 740 nanometer infrared, and Samsung LM301 5000. Very suitable for all stages of indoor growth, providing like sun quality full spectrum for rapid plant response from seed to flower. So yeah, that's cool. We got some little instructions just showing you what everything looks like. It's a foldable light, which is interesting. We got the plug-in. We have the spectrum of the light. Okay, and it also tells you how close, if you are germinating seeds, how close the light should be and the brightness, and how many hours per day. That's cool. Seedlings, vegetables, or blooming flowers. Okay, that's good to know. Applications: grow tent, industry, hemp growth, greenhouse, horticulture, lighting, indoor planting, growth, hydroponic cultivation, farming, plants, research. Comes with warranty, and then it has the manual in other languages. Okay, so let's get her out and see what we got going on. It looks like all the plugs are already connected, which is nice. I have seen a couple of other Grow Light company unboxings where you have to like connect each thing, but everything's connected. Looks good. Looks like I literally just have to plug it into the wall. Okay, so let's try to unfold her. Oh, this is what she looks like. Unfolded. Okay. Interesting. So this is a good 2 foot by 2 feet, which is good because that's the grow tent size that I have. Alright. Okay. That's it. This is easy. Let me plug her in. I'll light her up. And yeah, this was quick and easy. This is very convenient. Very convenient lights. You can undo, it looks like, all the connections if for whatever reason you needed to. Maybe to connect multiple to each other. I don't need to do that, so I'm not going to worry about it. Let's plug her in over here. And that is what she looks like. That is very bright. Very bright. Wow. I'm gonna fold her up because I cannot see. Okay. You can see all the light shining. Wow. There is an on and off switch back here. I don't know what that's for. That's for K2. Okay, so that's the power switch. There is a max function. Let's play with the different. Let's do anything. Not that I can tell. Yeah, wow. Interesting. Okay. Alright, so now what I want to do is actually go through what each thing is supposed to do. So I see the on and off button. That's for K1. Let's see what K1 is. And then there's an on and off button for K2. That's the dimmer switch. Okay. Okay, so you have to turn on the dimmer switch to then use the dimmer knob to adjust the brightness. There's an RJ connector, which is group dimming connection port. That is for, you connect these to, use this to connect if you have 2 lamps or multiple lamps, you use these to connect them. Okay. Okay. And then a signal wire is what plugs into the wall. Alright, so let's test out this dimmer. Turn her on again. Turn on the dimmer. We're at max. Okay, we're down to minimum. So that's not bad. I was a little concerned when I first turned this on. This is at max again, going down to dimming. That this was going to burn any type of plants I tried to grow in the grow tent. But I think on the lowest setting is good for houseplants, basically. Maybe if I decide to grow anything else, I'll turn it up, but I don't think I need to. So this is good. Wow. Oh man. Alright guys, so that was quick, painless, no assembly required. Literally just plug it into the wall, you're done. If you buy multiples, you plug these guys in to each other And yeah, you just hang it where you want to hang it. So when I get my greenhouse all set up and I get the shelving unit sent to me, I'll hook all that up. I'll make a little video of it. And yeah, so that's cool. So far, so good. I would recommend this. This is a very easy grow light to use. It's something that literally anybody can just take it out of the box, plug it in, and use it. I really like the convenience of that. I also like that it's dimmable. That is like very nice. And I also like that they included a self-timer. So yeah, very convenient. It's literally, you plug it all in, you set it up with the timer, you put it at the dimming setting you wanted, and that's it. You just let your plants grow. Alright guys, so I will try to remember to put the link in the description below. This is Growstar LED lighting company, and yeah, so far 10 out of 10. Alright, until next time guys, relax, plant, and peace out.